What's happening, y'all? It's Josh, Drive the Coast. Just got this absolutely gorgeous 1971 Ford Bronco. Absolutely beautiful ride. Candy apple red. Got bullet wheels, running 33-inch tires. Nice, perfect little lift on there. Great stance to it. Fully restored Bronco, as well as some nice upgrades on it. So it's got 302 V8. Got the Fitec fuel injection. Got power steering, power brakes, ice cold air conditioning, as well as aluminum radiator. Got brand new Skyjacker lift on it. New springs. Frame is absolutely beautiful. Nice painted frame there. New shocks. Like I said, underside is super clean. New exhaust. It's got a dual exhaust there. Also got new fuel tank, so bigger fuel tank. Not the dual tanks, don't have to worry about switching or any of that. So it's got a bigger single tank, no rust in it anywhere. Super, super clean. And the rockers, the doors, all that. Full-size spare on the back, swing arm. Does have a hard top as well, so I'll put some pictures of it. It's a white hard top, in good shape. Goes with the truck. So you also got new stereo. Floor pan's absolutely immaculate. Beautifully done. Hop it on inside here. We'll fire it up in just a sec, but we got Dakota digital gauges. It's the Fitec computer there. You got a tilt wheel. There's your air conditioning system. So just going real slow here. The floor, as you can see, excellent, excellent shape. No rust in there anywhere. Bottom of the door is also super clean. That's what you want to see. Climbing up. Starts first key. Got that power steer, new stereo. Well, that's working like it should. Turn the Fitec unit on. Gives you all your readings. Then Dakota digital gauges there. Nice. Click those. So, see the AC blowing here. Got Bluetooth, got the USB plug in here as well. So all that's running great. So anyway, y'all, let's go ahead and look under the motor here while we got it fired up. It does have the hydraulic shocks. Little shocks here, real nice. Power disc brakes. There's your air conditioning. Got the power steer, aluminum radiator. Optima battery. There's your Fitec. Electronic distributor. You obviously see the engine bay super clean. Obviously a body off restoration to get that kind of paint work underneath the hood. Super nice. Original VIN tags. Front seats, rear seats, excellent shape. Like I said, this hard top, or this roll bar, will go underneath the hard top. So. But that's all we got for now on the walk around. It's raining right now, or we take it for a drive, but take it for a drive later, add it to the video. Let me know I can earn your business. We also got lots of other classics available. Let me know I can earn your business.